So hello guys. So for today video guys. So ang uban namatay man ni guys. Oh. Ang uban okay oh. For today video guys. Agoy. Takilid naman niyo. So for today video guys. Oh. Uy, may chicken oh. Oh, chicken. Chicken banana. So ay daghag bunga day atong dragon fruit. So hapit na mahinog. Wild pepino. Wild cucumber. Mana siya wild cucumber? Wild cucumber. If you want to eat wild cucumber, it's here. I mean, wild cucumber, wild cucumber, wild cucumber. This is our wild cucumber. Ngano man na? Naunsa man na? Naunsa ninday? Naunsa nang manok oy? Naunsa man nang manok lang? Naunsa man na?